20. What do you think? That might.
I'll make it.
That'll probably do it.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. You might get one more in there. If you want to, you do
Now
one.
let's do one more.
One more.
Let's do
Hey,
22.
that way you got all this and done. Yeah.
Yeah.
The names will be changed to protect the innocent.
Hello, Tim.
Hello,
right.
I made it.
We got it.
This has been some kind of operation, I gotta tell you.
Hey, we got this deal down, man.
This guy scares me.
Where's the bunker?
What?
Where's the bunker?
What was that?
That goes with that.
Bunker,
Bunker.
that tree.
That tree, you need a bigger tree.
I'm on it. I'm trying to hold him.
Is your camera going, Chris?
Yeah.
We're at T-minus 5 minutes.
Yeah, we are. God damn it. I can't.
We are
Let me
recording.
know when you're getting set up.
I'm setting up.
All right. Oh my God!
Boom!
That was the most fantastic.
Oh, goodness.
God, dude.
I don't think they were ready.
I wasn't ready with my phone.
I was ready.
I told y'all I was shooting. I told you.
Holy shit! I was filming, but I was sitting there and I didn't think he was set ready. But I was filming. I was like, all right, let's get it set up here. Dude, watch this thing descend.
And now, the
If
aftermath.
I can get a 5-gallon bucket at 158
Watch
yards
this
under that
disintegrate.
truck, with I can hit a damn 8.
Leave it there. Just leave it there like that. Go Stay Gun Club.
We have a door.
Oh yeah, I hit the S. I hit the
Break
S.
the window up. Oh wait, there's no window.
Wait a minute, that's the wrong door. Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's the one. No? Yeah.
Yeah, needless to say, we won't be hunting deer here this afternoon. Wow.
There's the roof. Right there.
30 pounds of Tannerite.
Yeah. Yeah, that's an easy way to get the engine out.
Charles, see, this is the tire you blew up.
Holy
Charles.
shit.
Charles, this is the tire you blew
Look
up.
at the hole in the ground right here in this hard rock. Hey, it moved that Jeep.
Yeah, it moved it.
It blew. Where'd all the shit? Did you see that tire go launching? Did y'all see that tire go up in the
Dad, the
air?
tire went out of the tire went out of view.